Hi friends, welcome. Previously, we have seen by using a simple two-line prompt, we have generated a blog post completely and we have uploaded it. So now we'll use that blog post to create a podcast by using NotebookLM. And this time we'll use the customization so we can manage the length of the podcast. So we'll keep it minimum to a 5 minutes duration because this option is recently being added. We'll not go for the different language option, though that is available to us now, but we'll use English as our default and generate it. You can switch over to any other language also, can see. We'll learn all about this. This is the article what we will be using for our podcast. This previously we discussed it, and all this data are all generated by Gemini. So let's copy this URL. Here it is. I am just copied this and gone to another tab. I am just typing notebook LM. If you are searching or not use directly, okay, fine, go like this. So you will be landing on the notebook LM. It's a Google product. You just need a Google account. I am not using anything paid or anything. I am using a free account only. You just need a Google ID. So here many notebooks I have created in different languages. So I am going for one more, create a new. So this is here now because I have a link here. Otherwise I would have gone for discover sources. So I could have added as a any 2 3 1 keywords for search for allowing notebook LM to search and include the results in as a for our discussion, result as a source for our discussion. But this time we want to restrict to our that particular article whatever is there. So we'll go for link. Watch other tutorials also for us about the notebook LM. So this is the only one source we have given. You can see here I can collapse this. This is the main chart window and all. I can, and right side is the most important part. Wherever it's all the this deep conversation or audio overview I can generate. So this is the right side panel. I can minimize this also. I can expand it. Let me go because one source is there. It has already loaded. So I can just close it. Minimize it. AI search resolution, impact and adoption. The same thing, it has taken it. I can just go for customization little bit. What I will customize here is default is 10 minutes and longer is 20 minutes and shorter is 5 minutes. Let us go for a shorter duration. So it will be around 5 minutes. It's not exactly 5 minutes. If I want something to the discussion to focus, I can enter it here. So let me just write one or two words here. I will say that give some for the content creators to manage in this new age. Fine, whatever you want to write. I'll just click this. It will generate it. But if let it generate, it will take some time to generate. So what you will do is here I can do a study guide, briefing doc, FAQ, timeline, everything. But one beautiful thing is mind map. Let's go for a mind map. This will give us a we can minimize how the nodes are connected, how the nodes we can expand, all this thing it will give me. Mind map is a beautiful thing. Let's just go there. Fine. See this AI search revolution, impact and adoption. It's an introduction, understanding Google AI search, tangible impact on traffic and click-through, monetization, all the sub nodes of the main topic. Now I can further expand it also. Dual approach, foundation SEO and new strategies, Google best practices, helpful, reliable, people first, all this you can get it. Key tactics, you can further expand it also. It gives me, I can just scroll up and down, do this, zoom or zoom in or zoom out, or I can use the buttons here also. I can click a individual this particular link to go back to the our chart there, so that there you can it will study and give me more on that. Suppose math search intent, I can click this. You can see here it will, but the source I have limited here. In fact, if you are given more sources, you will get a better result here. So this has studied from the source and it has given me the output. I can just expand it further. So here is the one. I can drag it also, put it here, zoom in or zoom out. I can do. Fine. I can close this. Each one I can study this. And note that I can share this also, or I can download this particular mind map. This is one of the means it gives me a total picture, then I can narrow it down, further expand it. This is the beauty of NotebookLM mind map. This is one of the popular feature which I frequently use it. Now let me close this. See, the podcast is available here. Let us just start a bit and we'll see. I will also listen what it is saying.
Welcome to the deep dive. Okay, so it really feels like the ground is shifting under our feet with online search, doesn't it?
It really does. Google's AI stuff, like the AI overviews and that AI mode, it's moving away from just giving you links.
Yeah, moving towards just giving you the answer right there.
Exactly. And if you're creating content, well, this isn't just a small tweak. It's pretty major. So today, our mission is really to pull out.
That's the podcast. It's a 5 minutes. It has taken 5 minutes and 5 seconds. So this I will upload it separately. You can listen to this 5 minutes podcast. And this is how, by using right, we have started from a question, came to a blog post, and from the blog post we have gone for a podcast. So this is how we can expand it using AI tools at different stages, which are going to help us. One important thing before we conclude here, the whatever the podcast or the audio overview generated, I can delete it, download it and change the all the speed and all I can manage. I can delete it. Then what I can do, I can go to setting, then output language I can select and generate this podcast in different languages, even in different regional languages also I can produce. There is I think it's around 50 different languages are listed here. You can see this, all the list of languages. I can keep on changing to different language and generate the podcast. That's all, friends. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll continue our updating or adding new tutorials on this AI tools, whatever is available in the market, and we are focusing more on the ChatGPT, Google AI tools, and many other tools so far. And if you have anything for us to discuss and want us to include it in our discussion, feel free to ask it below in the comment section. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are adding tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.